Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to fix common errors in formulas. Let's begin now. There are many errors while preparing any Excel formulas, while working on the formulas, but here I would like to discuss only few common errors which we are facing in our daily routine life, which are div, value, reference, name, NA, null and spell. We will start from the div. This is the most common error and easiest to point out. It's while doing the division, subtraction, multiplication, multiple concepts you can use them. Here I have prepared one example. This is my data, customers, sales and previous year sales, and here I use this formula. You can see I divided H on I equals to H sales over previous years, and it is giving me, I need a percentage, so I'm just changing it to percentage, and now you can see it. Here is a div error is coming. Now how to fix this one? There is a method. While using the first method, if error function, okay, what you will do, you will write here equals to if. First of all, what you will do, you can copy the same formula, for example this one, here you can copy and paste, and then you can write here if error, and here comma, inverted commas and close if you want to make it blank. So now I would like to make it blank. Here you can see this value is blank here now, even though the value here is blank. It is not reading anymore. It is giving me the zero value, null value. There is another method which we are using. It's little complex, but it is also used. In here what it will do, if any one of the value from here or from here, any value is missing, it will do the calculation this way, give us the blank information. How to do this one? We will start equals to if or sales equals to two inverted commas means blank, comma, this value py equals to blank, bracket close, comma, make it blank. Otherwise, what we need to do it, this value divided by this value minus 1, close bracket. Now you can see it here, and I drag the information below. See what will happen if this value 2500 is missing. Again our formula is true now and it is giving us blank. If py is not available, then it is doing the same. Now another method which we are using is blank formula. Is blank we are using mostly for making one cell information which we need it as a blank. For example, here this py is blank, so we will use this formula equals to if is blank, which one information, this one, close the bracket, comma, two inverted commas, again comma, and then the same formula we will apply, this value divided by this value minus 1, close the bracket, is blank, this value, comma, make it blank, inverted commas, and one more bracket which needs to be closed. And here there is some error it is showing us. Equals to if is blank this one, comma, py is blank, make it inverted commas, comma, start bracket, this value divided by this value minus 1. Yes. So I'm going to drag this information down now, and here if I'm going to make it blank, you can see the information has gone. No information is available. So this way you can fix these values. Now the second method is value. Here you can see here a value error is coming. How it happens we will see now. Sometimes if you will see here, I just write some alphabets. If it is an alphabet, then what happens? It is giving us a value error, that something is wrong here in the column where, because this column is not reading this value. For example, now what I did it, this one minus this one, and you can see it is giving me the calculation. Now how to fix this value? It's very easy. What we will use, equals to this value minus sum this value. Now what it will do, it will give us this value as a sum. It is overwriting this high this one. Any words we are writing here, it will not consider. Now the reference. Reference is what? For example, here you can see I made this data. This is available here now, and here reference is making this one. What happens? For example, this data I am copying and pasting it here, and this one is linked to this formula, is linked to some of the information, and I am going to delete them. You can see this error happens. Even though sometimes if I am copying this formula and bringing it here, okay, and some of the values I am going to remove it, it will give me the error message. So while copying and pasting the data, and if you want to delete any information, you have to carefully make this value as normal value instead of the formula. For example, how to do it? Just copy, Control C, and just right click and paste value. That's all. Now we'll go to the name. Okay, see here now what happens. Name, why it is a name function it's coming? It's very easy. It means the formula does not exist in the Excel. We did something which is not available in the Excel. Here, for example, we will use the sum formula, okay, and it will give us a calculation. But if I will use add, and I will use some value here, what it will give me? This message. So we should have been very careful about writing the formula. Now we'll come to NA. See here now, if I'm changing it, instead of this one, I'm removing my condition here, and you can see it here, NA function is appearing. Any value which is not available here, it is giving me error NA. I used here the VLOOKUP formula. And how to fix this one? It's very easy. With the formula, okay, what we are using it, just apply if NA function. If NA function will change it to the data what you are looking for. Okay, we will see it here how it is working. For example, equals to VLOOKUP this value, comma, where here in this column log them, comma, 2, comma, false. So you can see here this is NA and here this one is value. How to fix this one? Just in the start of the formula, if NA, at the end of the bracket, just start comma, within quotes you can write data not matching, and that's all. You can see now it is changing, even though you can make it blank. If you remove and use 2 inverted commas, you can make it blank, or you can use 0. The second method you can use with the same formula, if error function. See here we use the if error function and it is giving us same result. I would suggest you to, whenever these types of errors are coming, use if error better than FNA or any other we are using. Just use if error function. It is most recommended one. Now we will go to the next step where we are getting the information which is null. Why it happens? It is happening because of the formula we used it, but some of the information is missing. How it is missing? You can see here in this formula. I'll zoom for you. Here the range is missing between them. Like colon is missing, which is explaining from where to where the information will be dragging. See here, when I'm using it equal to sum, here to here this colon is appearing and it is giving the range that from where to where. But in case here you can see it is just taking the first value and the last value, but it is not taking any range, and formula is missing. I will use only colon and remove the space and give us the value. Next is a spill function. Spill function where we are using, for example, I am looking for the unique value here and I write something here in between these lines. How are you? I write here. This formula you can see here in the lines, array is coming up till here as a unique value. When it is coming here, it is destructing this statement, how are you? It is stopping to run the query. Okay, how to fix this one? You just need to use here, remove this one, and our data can appear and our error will be removed. So doing the working, it's very important that you should know that what type of error and how it happens. In my Excel sheet, I explained all the values, why null, spill, each and everything it's there, and you can use these ones with you. I will attach this video, this Excel file with my video, and you can download from there. I hope this video will explain all the common errors, and if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, please subscribe to my channel, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post a new video. Provide your valuable feedback in comments. Thank you.